Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Bissett here on day number 3, the CPP Week to Wicked bill. That's right, it's 55 Chevy. Got Mike here doing all the work. I'm just here because I talk a lot. Got the LT1 direct injected engine from Gandron Chevrolet, attached to the Bowler Tremec T56 6-speed manual. So all the suspension went in on day 1, engine transmission went in on day 2, but day number 3, you ready for this? This is what we're hoping to get to today, the body. That's right, the real deal steel body is going to go on the frame. We're going to mate them together, and that's why day number 3 is going to be the best day ever. Day 3, Week to Wicked. Giddy up. Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Bissett here in the CPP Week to Wicked presented by Golden Star. Day number 3 recap for you. We got the old air AC, got that in, so it's all good stuff, and the E-Stopp emergency brake is in. I love that thing because one of the things I didn't know about it can be a security system for the car. Set it, leave it, as long as it's hidden, car's not going anywhere. As you can see behind me, CPP frame is on the body. Body's real deal steel, gotta love that. They are mated together for the first time. Gandron Chevrolet got the LT1 in there and the Doug Thorley headers. Prototype headers, they're beautiful, ceramic coated, completely set. Painless performance wiring inside, in the house, and we got the drive shaft in. All the wiring is done in the car. Drive shaft's in, plumbing is done, brake lines, fuel lines. We're pretty much all set. Tomorrow, we're gonna have TMI in the house, getting the interior in. It's gonna be a beautiful situation. So, same place, same time tomorrow. It's the CPP Week to Wicked presented by Golden Star. Adios, amigos.